Oh my God, I wasn't even recording and I hate that. Here he is. Let's get him. Come over here, sweetheart. You stayed there for me. Yes, he did. Yes, he is. Hi, beautiful. Good evening.
What's the matter, Jake?
Good evening. There's all the cows in the backyard, walking around. They got a lot of room to walk, and they're getting ready for their nighttime shows. Hi.
Jake.
Jake, come here. Oh, he is.
Jake.
He's so beautiful.
He'll follow that one cow around, the one with the big bag.
Yeah.
The cows are getting ready to have it.
Yeah, that must feel good for them to be relieve themselves when they milk, right?
Yeah. Look, that's where he's going. He's going to follow her.
Yep. He's protecting his little friend there. He's the protector. Chasing away the coyotes. Hi, Billy. Catch up. All right.